Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. If you saw my bratwurst video, you might have heard me griping under my breath that I always have buns left over from, forgot what I was going to say. Oh, from cooking the brats up. What I did is I cooked, for the video I cooked two, leaving me with basic math fail. 4 left over, and then the other day I cooked the other 2. I cooked all 3 and I made 2, and I just used the brat, chopped it up, threw it my eggs. But I had 2 buns left over, I didn't know what to do with them. So I think I'm gonna do is make a barbecue beef and bacon sandwich. I'm not even sure I'm gonna post this video. It's just one of those things where it's like, well, maybe I'll use the video, maybe I'll just scrap it, but maybe I'll wake up sick as a dog next week, and I'll be like, and I won't want to upload anything, but I'll have something to upload. We'll see. Alright, so I got some bacon going, because no meal is complete without bacon. Got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You guys refrigerate your sauce? I never do. I don't refrigerate anything. Ketchup, all this, teriyaki, I leave them on the counter. I figured there's enough preservatives and harmful crap in there, it's not gonna go bad. And then I got my 2 leftover outdoor buns, which I'm gonna toast up. And I got ½ pound of ground beef here, which I'm going to I need to get it in a bowl and start mixing it up, because I'm gonna make I want to basically make them this long and then fry them up. Put bacon and barbecue sauce on them. Got the usual suspects for seasonings. Got some garlic. Got a little slap your mama. Got some salt. I throw a little Parmesan cheese in there too, maybe as a binder. See what happens. Give this a stir. Alright, just forming up my meat. As you just found, just spinning it like this. They're going to shrink a little as I cook, so I gotta flip my bacon over so that I wash my hands. There we go. Alright, we got the bacon pulled out. First I'm leaving that bacon grease in there. Oven's still heating up, and I can go ahead and slide in my buns, watch them like a hawk. All right. Not much coloration on that. Speaking of coloration, The buns look real good. Sweet. That's better. Now let's get some cheddar cheese on this bad boy. Cause I didn't buy any other cheese. I'm just using what I've got on hand. So I do. Cheddar is one of my favorites. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I guess you could have sauteed up some onions and put them on there if you wanted. Some peppers, onions, or I said onions, mushrooms, which I forgot to get. I wasn't thinking about it when I walked right by them. You know, load them up with veggies of your choice. So it's the beauty of cooking. You can just basically do whatever the hell you want. Get the chili on these. Oh, screw it. I'll put both pieces on. I never said this was healthy. I'll just cover both these guys in sweet baby rays. Oh yeah. Gonna have to get my cholesterol checked next time I'm at the doctor's office. One of those. Yeah, let's give these guys, I'll give one of these guys a try. There you go. Pretty good. I didn't do any other sides or anything. I figured the just second sandwich would be enough. So, what are we dinner? I'll catch you in a few. Catch you in a few. All right. Well, clean plate. Wouldn't really call it a groundbreaking meal, but it was still pretty tasty. So, anyway, thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, you know, wouldn't mind hitting the like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Catch you next one. Have a good day, and we'll catch you later.